Welcome back. It's now time for Midday Sports. Bowling off with cricket, the Guyana under-17s were bowled out for 133 by Jamaica's under-17s in their Cricket West Indies regional match at the National Cricket Centre currently on in Guyana. Jonathan Van Lang with 41 top scored for the Guyanese, with Nicholas Shiapursad also contributing 27. Kevin Kirsten, 18, was the next best run scorer. DeMarco Scott took the most wickets for the Jamaicans, claiming 4 for 11. Rashawn McKenzie also took 2 wickets, while Dante Clark got amongst the wickets. The Jamaicans opened their campaign with a 9-wicket win over the Leeward Islands on Saturday. Jamaica finished third in last year's edition. Now, Jamaica's 4-member team to the recent 20th North American Powerlifting Federation Championships in the Cayman Islands returned home with 3 medals, including 2 gold. With national number 1 ranked powerlifter Scott Jennings withdrawing from the competition, the team of Javon Da Costa, Janoy Vaughan and Samida Pass once again delivered some outstanding performances at the championships. Da Costa ended top of the podium in the men's classic open 93 kg category to finish almost 30 GL points ahead of his closest competitor. It was far from a flawless series for Da Costa, who had 3 no-lifts, including 2 failed attempts at 200 pounds in the bench press section. His other no-lift came on his final attempt in the deadlift, as he attempted 327.5 pounds. Now, Jamaica's other gold medal came on the women's side, as national champion De Pass captured the top spot in the classic open 76 kg category. De Pass, who weighed in at 74.8 kilograms, had a perfect series, as she was successful in all 9 lifts to end with an overall total of 540.5 GL points. Meanwhile, new national representative Vaughan marked his first international appearance with a bronze medal in the men's classic open 105 kg weight category after taking bronze. Vaughan, who had only 1 failure throughout his 9-lift series, ended with a total of 752.5 GL points. Brazilian superstar Neymar is reportedly on the verge of signing for Saudi Pro League side Al Hilal. This after Paris Saint-Germain agreed a deal to sell the forward for about 90 million euros or 77.6 million pounds plus add-ons. The transfer is subject to the 31-year-old completing a medical and all necessary paperwork. Neymar, who joined PSG for a world record fee of £200 million in 2017, was left out of their squad for their Ligue 1 draw against Lorient on Saturday. Neymar was understood to be earning in the region of 25 million euros annually at the French side. He'd reportedly be paid 150 million euros a year in Saudi Arabia, 6 times the amount he earned at PSG. And Jamaica ended 4th in League A of the CONCACAF Boys Under-15 Championship after going down 3-1 to Haiti in the 3rd place game on Sunday. After enjoying the better of the chances in the first half, Jamaica found themselves behind when Haiti opened the scoring in minute 27. Giovanni Taylor would draw the Jamaicans level in the 40th minute with a superb free kick, but 4 minutes later the Haitians were again in front. Haiti completed the win in the 71st minute when they made it 3-1. Meanwhile, the United States were crowned League A champions following a high-scoring 4-2 win over Mexico. And that is it for your Midday Sports Report. Shane?
Thanks, Jordan. And that's the Midday News. I'm Shane Masters. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports and production teams, have a good afternoon.